Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can find the skills section for your profile on Indeed.com and how you can add more skills to your job seeker profile. So let us guide you through it. So in 2026 it works the following way. What you want to do is navigate to Indeed.com, log into your account and click into your profile icon in the top right and select profile here. Next, what you want to do is in your profile is, let me find it, click into qualifications here and select this option, add skill, or use that plus button here and add your skills like I don't know, social listening, whatever that means. And after that you may add also years of experience, like in numbers, as you can see example 2. So let me go with 4 years of experience in this skill, and you may add more of them or simply click into save to add this information to your job seeker profile. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.